Hey there, Instagram users. Have you been trying to reply to a message in an Instagram group on your PC but just can't figure out how? Well, you're in luck, because Instagram has just released a new update that makes it super easy to reply to messages in a group chat on your computer. First things first, you'll need to open up your Instagram account on your PC. Once you're logged in, head over to the group chat that contains the message you want to reply to. Now, here's where the new update comes in handy. When you hover over the message that you want to reply to, you'll notice a small arrow icon, or a reply option appear. Click on that arrow icon or reply button to start drafting your response. Next, simply type out your reply in the text box provided and click Send to share your message with the rest of the group. And just like that, you've successfully replied to a message in an Instagram group chat on your PC. So, the next time you're on your computer and want to engage with your Instagram group chat, just remember these simple steps. Open your account, find the group chat, hover over the message, click the arrow icon or reply, write your reply, and hit send. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching, and happy Instagramming.